we have a new kind of Thai Takeover today. It is a competition episode, and I'm so excited. I'm here with two amazing chefs. So the category that we're cooking or competing in today is brunch with an Asian twist. We're clear there. Okay. Yes. There is one caveat in this competition, which is okay, you all get a set of sauces and spices. You're gonna have a lot of fun, but first, let me introduce you to Chef Rebecka, the accidental chef Sherry. I'm ready to get started.
Me too.
You guys?
Yeah.
Okay, let's roll.
Wow.
Sherry's getting ready. Let me ask you a few questions. This is At Home with Rebecka. That's how you can find her. She's amazing. I met her at the World Food Championship competition, which she has placed multiple times. I mean, how long have you been with them?
I've been doing it for 8 years, and I placed in the top 10 for 7 of those years, and I'm the 2017 Bacon World Champion.
This is amazing.
So, yeah, I'm super excited because what I'm going to cook for you today, there's this new thing going around, and you'll see it all over the internet. It's called crinkle cake, and it's kind of a Greek riff using phyllo dough.
Yes.
But today I'm making Thai crinkle with pork belly and sesame hollandaise.
Sounds amazing.
So you're gonna have this wonderful eggs Benedict Asian style.
And I heard bacon.
Yep.
She is the world championship for bacon.
Yep.
Can't wait to see how you're gonna do that.
Yeah.
I'm gonna try to get Sherry to slow down while
you got it.
I was just trying to get a
You're like
start.
trying to get a head start. There we go. The accidental chef here. Tell me a little bit about you.
Okay, I'm Sherry Blacketer, and I've competed in the World Food Championships as well.
Multiple times.
Couple of times, yes. I typically do desserts.
Ooh.
That's my thing.
That's your
And
jam.
today I'm making for you chicken and waffles.
I'm all about the waffle.
Yeah, I'm
So
gonna do a
excited.
savory waffle and a chicken.
Have you made this before?
I have never made this before.
Ah, even better. Did you hear that?
I know. It's kind of crazy. She's like, oh, let's make something new.
This is how it works.
Yes.
It's the best type of recipes, right?
Well, it's so much fun because we're friends, and so this is like a friendly competition.
Yes.
But she wants to kick my butt.
Ooh, of course,
So,
we all want to win, right?
That's right.
Okay, what do we have in here? We have a cake mix, waffle mix that we can't read at all.
It's all written in Korean.
We're all written in Korean.
I just thought that might be better when we were shopping yesterday. I was like,
smells
oh,
good.
well, you know,
Yeah,
let's do
why
a,
not? Let's just figure it out.
let's do this. So that's what
You're
we're
right.
doing.
Oh, it's sweet.
Good.
Can I tell you about my phyllo?
Yes, please.
So when you're making the crinkle cake, what you want to do is take 2 of the phyllo pastry, pre-made pastries, make sure that they're room temperature, that they're not frozen. And then what we want to do is hold them straight up, and you do this.
You're like crinkling them.
You're crinkling them. And that's okay that it fell off. It doesn't have to be
Do I
perfect.
have to like
Yeah, it doesn't have to be perfect. And then you
freak
lay
out
them.
if they
Going right behind you,
Can
ladies.
I
Lay
help?
them in your tray. Yes, please. And then
gonna
so
try.
the whole idea is that we want it to be this way. I've tried it this way before, you know, practicing recipes. And when you make it short like this, you get a super crispy bottom for your Benedict. But the whole idea is to get this really cute accordion kind of thing. So we cook this for 10 minutes. And
Where'd you find this phyllo dough?
This phyllo I got at our favorite Korean market, H Mart.
Oh, yep, H Mart.
Absolutely love that place.
Oh my gosh, it's like Disney World for foodies.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, it really is.
How long
great.
did you spend time in there for?
So tell them the truth. Tell them the truth.
We were in there for 6 hours, and, and we made so many friends and saw so
We
many
did.
things.
All right, so
love
there's their first step, and then
Oh,
it's
that's
gonna go into the oven, and then we'll make our custard.
So you don't put the butter in now?
No, you have to
crisp
get
up
it crisp first. Yeah. So
Okay.
there's 3 steps of crisping this, so that when we put the custard in, you don't get a soggy bottom.
Now I want to know what's going on over here. We have chopped green onions, which is amazing. I love green onions in everything.
I'm gonna put it into my waffle mix.
Look at her measuring out her green onions that are going into her waffle mix.
And I don't know
very
if that's
professional.
I don't know if that's enough or if
If it were me, I'd be just like, this sounds good.
No,
I
you
think
just have to say yes. It's perfect.
Because there's green onions going on both sides.
Yes,
One in a
ma'am.
waffle mix, one in an egg
Custard mix.
custard
Yes.
mix. She's grabbing the first spice.
There we
Here
go.
we go.
She beat me to the punch.
She sure did. Oh, we're adding spice to the waffle mix. This is exciting.
Oh, wait till you see my syrup. You're
Oh,
gonna love it.
no way.
We're gonna do a little bit of Nikky's black soy.
Oh, here we go. Got a soy component. Okay,
our
we're
soy
on the
component.
win here. The
Add
black
that,
soy.
and that's gonna just because I'm substituting the custard salt with the soy. Also, it's going to give that nice nutty flavor that soy brings, and I'm also using sesame oil in this recipe. So I do want to touch just a little bit of toasted sesame oil in there.
Okay, here we go. Breaking out the second pack of chili. So this is the dredge for
This is my dredge for my chicken.
Love.
Yeah, so I've got garlic in it, and I've got salt in it.
Powder?
Powder,
Okay,
yes.
so the
And then
garlic
I'm gonna put this in it. And every layer of it, it's gonna be layered. Layered heat. And then I'm gonna use the sweet
Bringing
and
it all
sour
together.
sauce to make a syrup
Ooh,
with it. And
now
it's gonna
that
be
is
good.
creative. Oh, what you got in there?
Oh,
I
goodness.
Look at her.
Nikky's pad thai.
You just go do
And
that.
pad thai
and
sauce
yes, and I
and
have
the
Nikky's
hot
hot
sauce.
So I par cooked it, and I also put a little bit of sesame oil again to bring that nutty flavor. I really am trying to layer that nutty flavor with the sesame because when we make our hollandaise, it's going to be a sesame hollandaise.
Wow.
So what I like to do is par cook it, then I put it back in, and we're going to get this beautiful crispy, and then we're going to set it aside on a plate, and then we're going to serve this family style.
And I just want to add that I put a little bit of the buttermilk into my dry dredge, and kind of stirred it in there to make it kind of shaggy a little bit.
That's how you do it. And you've done this before?
I have done that before.
Okay,
I have
just
made
making
chicken.
sure. Because that's a technique that I would definitely take back.
Yes,
A little bit of buttermilk to make these little...
Yeah, and so it packs on there, so when you fry it, it's like extra crispy.
And you have those little crunch pieces.
Yeah.
Okay, so here's our first round. We've basically dried them out. I cooked it on the top level of the stove, and now we have 2 sticks of butter. And then we're going to put this back in. I baked this on the top shelf to start, and then I'm going to put it on the bottom shelf so we get that even top and bottom heat, okay?
Look at that. So methodical.
Yep.
Oh, here we go.
Go ahead.
She's third sauce. Are you guys using all the sauces today?
Almost.
Pretty much, yeah.
I am
Almost.
impressed. Here we go measuring. Did you really measure this out earlier?
No,
No.
I just have written down a couple of like splashes.
Okay, splashes.
And then I'm gonna put some buttermilk in it.
Ah, this is layering of spice. I want to see how you do the dredging.
All right, Nikki.
Ooh,
Here you go.
look at that.
So this is our second bake with our butter.
Wow.
Now we are going to put our custard in here.
This is a beautiful piece of chicken.
See how the
You got
buttermilk inside of it makes
I want
it
more of that.
Well, you know what? Let's do it again. I did a double dredge, but now
Look
we're
at
gonna
that
do.
beautiful red
Isn't that pretty?
dredge. And you put the hot sauce in there.
I put hot sauce in
Oh
it.
my goodness.
I hope you like hot.
I do.
Look at it. Look at it. That bubble up. Isn't
Oh,
that
it's beautiful.
pretty? So we're
And I can
cooking this
smell the
with peanut oil.
So while you're over here and we're letting that go,
Okay.
I'm just going to show you really quick that we want to make this into squares for our
Bite size.
Our bite
The
size.
judges. Now, second part of your recipe here. I'm super excited about. What are we doing?
I'm making waffles.
Yes, you
And
are.
syrup. And syrup.
with a whole stick of butter.
Yeah. And
So pretty.
I don't really know how much to tell you to put in there.
Have you done this before?
It's been a minute, but yeah, I've used a waffle iron. Not
10 years ago?
not really for waffles, but
What'd you use them for?
I put like hash browns in it and do.
Ooh,
You
I've
can
seen that.
grilled cheese, ham and cheese sandwiches. So
Love
here's
it.
our butter.
Butter.
Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna make our syrup because you need to have syrup for.
Yes, we do.
And so we're gonna use
Sweet and sour. Oh,
Yes.
genius.
So we put
a lot
a
of sugar
stick
in there
of
for the
butter in
syrup.
there, which is a half a cup. So
And a
we're
little
gonna do,
extra.
and a little extra, we're gonna do equal-ish parts. So we're gonna put that in there.
I smell it. No, I smell the waffle. I smell like an
It smells
oniony.
It smells like the
Oh, it
fair.
smells so good. I know, I just am dying.
And a little extra.
Just a little
A little
extra.
splishy splashy.
I love it.
A little
That's
extra.
what makes it so good, though. And how are we doing over here? Look at that.
Yeah, so I already got one plated for you.
Oh,
so this is our crinkle Thai-inspired Eggs Benedict with a sesame hollandaise sauce. We have our pork belly on the bottom. We have a beautiful poached egg, and then we've layered our hollandaise over the top, sprinkled it with Thai basil crisp, and then I've added black sesame and a little bit of onion, and you are all set.
That
Thank
is
you.
so
Yes.
pretty.
Hello,
Oh, there's my
it's
timer.
waffle.
It's time.
Woo.
Okay. And then we're gonna put a chicken on it. And then this is our syrup, so we're just going to,
Drizzle around.
yeah, let's see. We want to get those
The
little
chili
chili
flakes.
flakes.
Okay, is it my time?
Ta-da! It's your time.
It's my
Your
time.
time.
It is judging time. So here's our surprise guest. This is Sky, and kids don't lie.
Don't lie.
So now it's fair.
Yeah.
Okay, what dish you want to try first, Sky?
Waffle.
And do you like it?
Okay.
I don't think she likes it.
I
You
love
like
it.
Well, she's still chewing.
You do?
Mhm. She says
I
she's very
love it.
polite. She doesn't
She's,
talk with
yeah,
food in
she
her
doesn't.
mouth.
The
And then,
onions,
amazing
in the waffle. Butter, sweet sour sauce. It's like the best thing on chicken. Good?
It's sweet.
It is sweet. You like sweet?
And it's a little spicy.
Is it
Little
too? Is it
spice.
too
Yeah.
spicy? Is it too hot? No.
Wow. You want another bite?
No.
Okay, moving on to the next one. She's a real judge in this situation here.
And there we go on the plate.
You went right in. You
Oh
did
my
not need
gosh,
help in that
she
one.
did.
So hungry.
Oh wait.
I'm gonna take a bite. A lot of layer of flavors. Super soul. I mean, this is hard for me. Okay, which one you like? I like this one too. But I think we do have a winner.
For sure.
I really thought you were gonna go for the waffles
I
and
did too.
chicken.
Yeah.
Thank
Wow.
you. You're very
Well,
sweet.
Yay! I'm so excited.
Thank you.
We're gonna go for a second round. Now I'm gonna have to compete against Chef Rebecca. I'm really scared. I'm really
so
scared.
excited.
Okay, here we
Alright,
go.
baby.
Thank you so much.
It's
You've
delicious.
been
for
a
having
super
me.
blast. You've got me so hungry. Stay in touch. We're gonna do another episode. We're gonna go head to head. Please make sure like, subscribe, follow. Let us know what you love, what you're gonna try. Thank you again for watching. ขอบคุณค่ะ
So the Thai Takeover experience today was so much fun for me. It was very much an educational experience because I had never made Thai food before. And the recipe I made today, I made for the very first time. I tried to use all of the sauces that I could. I thought it was pretty good, but I didn't get to win today. Rebecca and I are really good friends, and so it was a friendly competition, but we both really wanted to win. And in the end, her dish was really great, but I loved mine too.